Hi everyone and welcome back to Praks Art Gallery. Recently I have started using the color pencil, so I thought I will share what I am drawing nowadays, and here is the video for eye drawing. Here I am using Faber Castell beginner pencil color set. I will give you the full name in the description, and rest of the other materials which I have used I'll put that in the description, so do check out. And now let's get started. So when I started drawing this eye, actually power went away. There was a power cut, therefore I was not having enough light, so I have to use mobile flash, and because of that you can see the glare and all coming and you are not able to see properly. But bear with me for another 1 minute so that you will be able to see more detail, or if you want you can skip this content and go to the main content after a minute or so. So let's continue. So I purposefully not remove these clips, because if I remove that then you won't be able to see the step-by-step process here, at least though the the eye sketch is not visible, but at least you can see what colors I am using. And in case if you are trying to draw the similar way by observing this video, then definitely it will be helpful. That's why I have not removed these clips. It might be helpful for you. I hope you're still watching and you're able to see how and what colors I am using over here. The problem with the Faber Castell pencil, color pencil, is that it is not having name on the pencil. That's why I'm not able to mention those names, because I am also new to this color pencil art. So I myself is understanding what color is called what, but that's why I've kept the even clip also, so that you can see, and in case if you are using the same set of pencils, color pencils, then you can utilize them by observing it. I hope you have enjoyed watching this video, and in case if you want to know more such updates, you can follow me on Instagram. My Instagram handle is showing on your screen, and do check out my other videos as being listed on your end screen. So that's it for today's video, and I will see you in the next video. Till then, keep drawing and take care. Bye bye.